Ever wondered how to find publicly disclosed system vulnerabilities? Well, it's very simple by using a website called National Vulnerability Database, or NVD, which is what this video is about. Now, let's get into it. The National Vulnerability Database. Now, this is the website where you can search for all those discovered vulnerabilities. This website is provided by the US government, which is why you can see it's .gov. Now, in order to search, there's two ways. Either you click on vulnerabilities, search and statistics, or it's right here, search, then click on vulnerability search. After you click, it will link you to this page. So there are two types of search, which is basic and advanced, and the result, there's two types, are the overview or statistics. In this video, we'll be using Zoom as the example. So let's go for search on basic and overview only. After you click on that, it will link you to this page, which you can see keyword search, which is you have 101. What this means is that anything in the description that has the word Zoom, it will be out, which this is not really the perfect way on searching for a specific vulnerability. Now we will be focusing on this vulnerability, which is a buffer flow over vulnerability. If you click into that, it will link you to this page. Now before we get into this, let's go back and see. Now that we're back into this website, now let's see advanced search. Instead of typing Zoom in the keyword search bar, we just type Blender. Now, in case you type wrongly or you want to reset, just click the reset button or just refresh the page. It does the same thing. Now when you search, the result will be here. You see 36, which is tailored to the Zoom application only, which you can see is over buffer flow on the third, whereas the other one, the keyword search, is all the way down here. Now, once you click into it, then again it will lead you to the same web page. Now let's get into this web page. You can read all the descriptions, you can see everything, the websites, more details on it, all the configurations. Now, one thing I like about this website is that look at this weakness numeration. If you click on here, it will link you to another web page, which is here, common weakness enumeration, and you can read more again, but the most specific looking one is here. You can see the code, which is the example where you can read more on it and you can actually discover. Now besides this, let's go back to the search. Now the last search that I'm going to highlight is the statistics. Again, you can just use like Zoom, which is much better in advanced search. So after you click search with the statistics result type, it will link you to this web page. See, vendor Zoom. Now what this shows you that it shows you in every single year from the beginning up to now how many vulnerabilities has been discovered each year. Which you see 2021 has 19 vulnerabilities. Now, the last thing I want to highlight, let's go back to the home page. Now, if you see here, if you click on vulnerabilities, the full listings, it will link you to this page where you can see every single year and every single month. Now, let's say 2021 September, it would link you to this page. Now, one thing I forgot to highlight, which is what is this code and what does it mean? Now, CVE stands for Common Vulnerability Exposure, whereas what comes next is the year, and this is the ID given. Now, another example, let's say July, you can see here CVE 2018, and then the ID, which is what it means. That's the end of our video. Thanks for watching.